I just started another video, so it's like a part 2 or whatever. I swear he's near us, because I keep hearing him, but I haven't been seeing him. See this, and it's a lot more confusing in buildings than it is outside. Like, it's a lot easier to know where you've been and haven't been when you're like where to go when you're outside. Like here, you could do a circle without even knowing it. Yeah, I do too. Yes, we have. Pretty sure. Last time we came in here, you said we've already been. Yeah, we have. We picked up a tape in here, actually. Oh, he's right over there. He's to our right. So just keep walking this way. Just don't walk too close to him, because he could just like grab you if you walk too close to him. Yeah, he's like right behind me. I'm gonna die. Left, left, I'm going left. Oh, he got me. I was even running, dang it. Yeah, watch how much loops we did. That was white noise. 24 minutes and 30 seconds. See, when you're by yourself, you're pretty much screwed. Yeah, I know. Replay. Replay. Do-do-do. Yeah, look at us. Yeah, we just kept like circling. I bet we've been over there a lot. I bet we just go left again soon. Oh, we actually did make it pretty far out. See, if we would have kept out there, we probably would have found the rest. Look at us. Yeah, we needed to go up, not back down. We just went the wrong way right there. And then here's where we die, I'm pretty sure about. Yep.